Hello, time for another Crimson Desert tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to beat Kailok the Hornsplitter. He is one of the easier bosses that you might come across. And there's nothing super technical here with this guy. In fact, this time I just went up there and just manhandled him. I didn't even take any health. I didn't eat any health this battle. You just go right after him. I just mainly did strong attacks. And then I wasn't really dodging or anything from his attacks or blocking with my shield, which you can do. There's a couple times where I just dodged out of the way. But I just kind of wanted to see if I could just go up there toe-to-toe and not really block too much and not really take any health and see what I could do. And I did a pretty good job just using with my one-handed sword. I wasn't even using my Huando sword. But all in all, he's a pretty easy guy to fight. Hopefully this will help you a little bit. If not, let me know what issues you're having with him and I'll try to help you out. But you should be able to dodge those attacks. His attacks aren't too crazy. You should be able to dodge if you want to do that. And you can block his normal sword attacks really easy with a shield. He's definitely one of the easiest bosses to fight early on in the game. So there you go. Let me know if this is helpful. Take care and happy gaming, everyone.